What's up, guys? Good morning, good midday, wherever you're at. Let's get right into it. So today we have news. It's Wednesday, 8:15 we had news, and now at 10 a.m. here, New York time, we have news as well, just like yesterday. So let's see what this does. I am going to first do my analysis. So yesterday, what did I draw out? I'm gonna keep on drawing this monthly, this weekly, daily from Monday, which was very clean. We're very, very high up. Let's see here on the higher time frame. Yeah, I'm most likely following the bullish bias here. Just gonna keep marking the monthly out, just in case we form a bearish setup here. But yeah, let's look at the 4-hour time frame. No PSPs, no SSMTs. One hour, also nothing. So yesterday was just a continuation up. I catched a small long, very, very low size. One mistake I made was, let me see here. This was yesterday, right? So I ended up catching this long, closing in profit here. First, I hopped in here and I got out here for no reason, to be honest. I was just thinking this micro bearish was confirmed because we have displacement below this fair value gap, so I'm going to take it out. But I should have stayed in the long, stop at the micro, because the biggest confirmed cracks and context was still bearish, right? Yesterday we had a weekly unconfirmed with a micro, but on the bullish side we had a 90 micro and this PSP and just the higher time frame order flow being bullish. So should have trusted the longs here. Don't be fearful. So yeah, small trade, very small trade yesterday. Today, so nothing really on the higher time frame. This was yesterday, so maybe we can use the gaps that are formed on yesterday for continuation up today. We have an SMT fill right here. We tapped this gap on NQ, but the same gap is left open on ES. So this can potentially be a protected low. We currently have a daily bullish. So what I learned, oh my god, what I learned from yesterday is when a SMT is not confirmed, I'm gonna just mark it out as like something gray. I think that helps to differentiate between ones that are confirmed and ones that are not. So I'm gonna use the third tint here. So this daily is not yet confirmed because I want to see this 50-minute displacement inversing this 50-minute bearish gap or a clean turtle soup. For now, it's not looking like a super clean turtle soup. It's coming close, but it's not that clear now. Daily bullish, daily bearish. Let's see if we got this. Yeah, we actually do daily bullish and daily bearish. And this daily bearish is confirmed in my opinion because we have this big displacement. This is a hidden though. This is a hidden and a normal one. Yeah, a hidden and normal one. So even stronger. Now we're tapping above the true session open, so shorts can be nice in this zone here. I am bullish on the higher time frame though, so shorts is not really favored for me. No PSPs. No 90-minute SMT. Oh wait, we do actually with ES. We don't take out this previous 90-minute quarter high on ES. We do this on all the other pairs. So we have a daily and 90-minute on the bearish side. A potential daily bullish, which is not confirmed yet. I'm still following this bearish buy, so we can maybe retrace today. After this expansion up yesterday, we can easily fill this area here. So higher time frame unclear, lower time frame is pointing bearish now at me. I think that's it, guys. Am I missing something? Any quarterly theory traders? I'm just seeing this here. 5-minute PSP in the making just got made here. Hey Daila, hey IKM, hey Ethan Prince, FX Air, Jan, welcome. Daily cycle and 90-minute highs, yep, marked out. Yep, 90 minutes, great bullish setup, you had 50-minute PSP, nice. It will probably go to 860. You mean the highs? Yeah, I'm bullish, but I'm not trying to be that greedy. We are on the 1 hour time frame here. I'm just a scalper, so I need to be in and out. So again here, guys, like, yes, we have the daily and 90, which is favoring shorts for me, but we already did what we're supposed to do with these cracks, in my opinion. We already took out this clean low resistance liquidity, which is my target if I want to ever play the setup. So this was a really nice setup in the pre-market. This happened at news. Oh yeah, this happened at news. So that's clean. I don't trade news in pre-market, but if you traded news, this was a really nice trade. A nice market maker sell model towards these lows, towards the range lows. And now, yeah, I can still use this, but it becomes lower probable. And keeping in mind, we now have a daily bullish, and we tap below true opens. We aggressively rejected from these lows. For me, it's now still unclear, so I'm gonna wait. But we can easily continue lower here. Shorts are still favored until we have anything bullish. So this was 8.15, just a big drop. So the reason for this daily bullish potentially is, look at this. This is the lowest close on NQ, and we do not close a candle below that lowest close. Whereas on YM, we just close a candle below that lowest close. So it's very hard to see, but there is a potential daily bullish which can push us up. Sounds like it's gonna be a long stream. My streams won't take longer than 2 hours. 2 hours, 30 minutes. I like to be off in like 1 hour, but sometimes, yeah, you gotta wait for 10:45 macro. Something to do there. Really clean short setup. Take out the buy side, form daily 90-minute above the true opens. Displacement on the 5-minute. You already, like, if you see that we are here, you don't need to wait for the candle to close. Like, we already inverse this and you can anticipate we go lower. And then, yeah, the next candle just takes out the final draw. And this looks like a manipulation. We reject like crazy off of here. But now lower time frame, gotta wait. Okay, so we open here, 9:30. How old are you? I'm 21. So for me, there's two ways that I just use in my system that confirms a sequential SMT. It's a displacement. So for example, if we have this daily now, then I want to see a 50-minute displacement inversing a gap. Here we have a very big gap, so it's really hard to see the confirmation. But the second way I confirm SMT is like if there's a clean turtle soup. So if it's a daily, I check this on the 50-minute time frame. And this 50-minute, it kind of looks like a clean turtle soup, right? It's not that clean. I would prefer the close to be higher up. But you can say that this SMT is kind of confirmed, and we basically oppose this daily, which is why we are pushing up now. Let's see if we can take out the highs. Highs look clean though. On ES, we have some equal highs. What car do you drive? I don't have a car. Soon. How do you use that data window? You mean this? This is just the object tree where I do all my drawings. No, I don't trade currency pairs, root. Okay, I'm looking for these highs. Definitely taking these out. Okay, daily is for sure confirmed. We are very up, displacing up now, and this clean turtle soup of this range low following the higher time frame bias of me. This is a nice daily. Now, could not have taken this because this was formed at like 8:30. If you want to enter here, entering here is a little bit too high in my opinion. The only, like, there's no way I can put any stop loss. We could have easily just done this and then go up. So there's no way for me to put a stop loss if there's no SMT here in the middle. The only thing I see now is just an SMT fill. 5-minute precision swing point just pushed us lower. Not really important. The biggest cracks and context still bullish. Okay, we took it out. So this daily in 90, like I said, it's already did what it's supposed to do. We already took out the draw. We have this daily which is confirmed because of this clean turtle soup and just us displacing higher. This is like what they calls the magneto effect. If we have a daily bearish and then a daily bullish, you can anticipate the other daily to be the draw on liquidity. Yes, I learned from him, Royd. Big thanks to you, Bowie, for dropping those insights from Quarterly Theory. Seriously, the way you explain things, it helped me to come. Thank you, man. Really, thank you. No cracks on the bearish side, so still favoring longs. Hey Shady, how can I join Dave's mentorship? It's closed, man, and to be honest, everything is for free. You just type in Quarterly Theory on YouTube, on Twitter, join the Twitter community, and you can learn every single thing. So now then, waiting for a 50-minute gap to open and then potentially take continuation longs there. Liquidity, obviously, higher time frame wise, is here in my opinion. And it's not that greedy, I think. I think it's possible that we take it out today. Everything is free and I paid a lot of money for this. But it was worth it. Because it's not the same. I was in his mentorship every single month, every single week. He was giving like 1 or 2 lectures and he was just repeating on, like he was showing us what the market is most likely going to do. And then next week we were like, whoa, okay, yeah, this played out. And if you learn this way, like every single week consistently, and he calls price and he introduces the concepts, then you're gonna get better and better at it. Whereas you just watch one video and then you're done, right? You really need to see it over and over again to build conviction with Quarterly Theory. I am bullish, but these lows look juicy though. We are now above true open, so a short can look bad if we get anything, but now we don't have anything to play with shorts. We do have a 5-minute PSP, that's the only thing, but yeah. Let me double check for SMTs. Oh, we can actually create a daily hidden though with YM. Or yes, so Definitely watching out in 3 minutes how this candle closes. Would be nice actually if we, yeah, close below the highest close here. But NQ and ES look really, really bullish. So let's see. I would have wanted the shorts to these equal lows. Yeah, man. These lows here, you mean? Like I said, it was a really nice short. And the thing is, like, confirmation of a crack, it's like very hard. So that's why I want to see displacement, want to see clean turtle soup, because people can say, oh, this is daily, done, this can move up. But I just want to be more confident with it. And the better we'll become at reading the markets, the more you'll just anticipate that this is going to hold because of all the other context and stuff. But yeah, that's why I have those two rules. Like, it needs to be a clean turtle soup or a displacement on the 50-minute if we have a daily. But then you're usually already too late. Sometimes not. This is just a very big candle. But yeah, it just really helps me. Okay, 1 minute 40 seconds for this 50-minute candle to close. YM still inside this gap. Yeah, he teaches us models. This is the community, man. Shetty is called Quarterly Theory. About 3.7k people in there. Okay, so NQ and ES are actually rejecting. Pretty nice to see if you want to play shorts towards these lows. So now we have a daily bearish, daily bullish, and now potentially again a daily bearish. So you can still trade ranges. Okay, that's a daily bearish now. We also have news. Oh yeah, it's at 45. I forgot. It's not a... Oh, is it? Let me double check. Wait, am I tripping? Is there only FOMC? Wait, I read the market wrong, I think. What the hell? Oh no. 4 p.m., right? Yeah, it's in 50 minutes. So why do we have such a big volatility? Oh, it's never mind. Okay, so daily bearish, potentially hidden. Daily. Hidden. No PSP. Let's see if we can form a micro SMT here. If we have a daily micro above true opens, 1 minute displacement down, and I can target these lows. But that's it, right? I'm not gonna target crazy lower because my higher time frame bias is still bullish. It's at 10, yeah. Do you possibly think if I align technical analysis with macroeconomics and sentimental analysis? I'm sorry, man, I don't think so. But you can try, and if it works, it works. I don't really like macroeconomics and sentimental. I don't know what you mean with this, but just trade one strategy, man. Yeah, that's nice. The only thing I care about news is just when it is. I don't care what it is. I just know that the news will provide some volatility, which will create some cracks, which will enter me possibly in a trade. And if the cracks are already present before the news, then I expect a displacement towards the draw, and if not, I expect some cracks to be created at the news event. Here, for example, 8:15, we don't manipulate, right? We just expand down because we already had this daily in 90 minutes. Then we oppose, we have a daily bullish, we go up. Now we have a potential daily bearish, but unconfirmed, no two-stage setup, no PSP, so I'm still following longs here. Especially because this buy side also is very close. But you never know, we can always retrace a little bit lower with some setup, but then I'm taking the profits early. But if I take longs now, then I will let runners run towards these highs and not take it out immediately. See if I can take out these highs. NQ already displacing lower. Would be nice if ES now takes these out. TP, if I would go short, TP is definitely here, man. Even like here. Just somewhere on this low resistance liquidity. When you catch this, take profit somewhere here. And this is your low. 1 minute PSP, yeah, but I mean, not giving me any short setup yet. We still have the daily bullish, right? Bearish, right? Yeah. Hidden. Five minute here. It's just chopping now. ES still doesn't take out these highs. Oh, is it the hidden though? Let me double check. Ah, this is so hard to see. 30 seconds. Nope, nope, nope. Still not a micro bearish. So this just displays up from this daily bearish. Tapping this 5-minute gap. Yeah, ES needs to take out these highs, man. It's just chopping now. I want to see this high getting taken out. On ES at least, and then maybe NQ hopefully doesn't do that, and we have a daily plus micro, which can bring us lower, or we just drop off from here. That's no setup for me, but that's also fine. Is it good to enter now? It's just depending on your strategy, man. I'm not the market maker. If your strategy says to take a trade, then you take a trade. For me, it's not yet. YM looks so bearish. That's a crazy 50-minute candle close. It's just lo-fi beats, man. Prince. We really want to see a micro here, man. That would have been triggered my shorts. Interesting to see what news is gonna do in 3 minutes. That will give us a clearer lower time frame bias. We're still around the true open, so we can still take a lot of trades potentially today. I mean, just one, but when price is like very, very far away already from the true opens, then the day is kind of ended. For example, if we are very low down here, then yeah. But now we're close towards the true open, so that's usually a good thing. We opened right here and we're still inside this range, right? So let's see what we want to do. I would really want to see price pushing up here, creating some micro bearish for a short, or just create some other bullish cracks that can take us into longs. For now, I think these highs look really clean to take out. On ES, on NQ, it's just low resistance liquidity. So this daily potential bearish hidden, it can just retrace us down, right? And we can still hold this daily. One minute left. Ten seconds.
The market is open.
God damn. We try to manipulate now. Let's see what happens. I really want to see these highs, but this can potentially be then a manipulation. Let's see if we can take out the lows on the YM. Just not any SMT fill here. Also not. Yeah, this liquidity was clean. I'm not shorting this. Yeah, we can take out the lows and form another manipulation, but I'm overall bullish on the day, so I'm looking for this to be potentially manipulation somewhere here. Oh, maybe there's a micro. I need to check. Fast. So the micro quarter end 923, 22.5. Let me check. No. Oh, we actually do have a micro. 30-second. Come on, get out of the way. Micro is just a SMT between the cycles, the quarters of this microcycle. So you see here, if this tries to load this quarter and this quarter, we have a micro. It's a hidden one on the 30-second, but it's unconfirmed because I don't see any displacement or clean turtle soup. So I still think we can go lower here. No confirmation. That's a nasty wick on YM. Micro on the highest would be amazing, but we don't get it, that's no problem. Just take your hands off the market. Unconfirmed, and we'll take this out with ES most likely now. It's crazy how you can still use this theory if we're just trading inside a boring range. Pre-market daily, which pushed us down, then daily before the open, which pushed us up, and now daily again, pushing us down. Crazy. Just no setup for me. I would have loved a 50-minute precision swing point or a micro here and then trade it lower. But yeah, shorts look nice from here. Just nothing that follows my trading system as of now. Maybe we can create a 90-minute then here, if one of them takes it out, and see the reaction from the other pairs. Okay, took out this low-hanging fruit. Yes, not yet. Now we are again below the tropen, so now longs look better. If there's a setup. So now we have a daily plus 90 potential setup, because ES doesn't take out the lows, so I am also not. Let's see if we can get a 5-minute or 50-minute or 1-minute precision swing point. Oh, we got this. Let me see to my chart. I want to take some longs, not gonna lie. Come on. What the hell? Bro, I can't load my loadout. Fuck this. Holy shit, this is frustrating me. Come on. It doesn't load. M and Q. For fuck's sake. Ain't no way. What the fuck? I'm getting catched out. I want to take this long. Oh my god. Bro, I don't remember my password. Let's see if you can get an SMT fill here. I'm logged in back, so SMT fill now. See for this candle to close. 30 seconds. Displacement.
Order filled.
Trying a little long here. But I don't know what went wrong, but I think I was logged in into 2 different windows on the same account, so that kicked me out. This 50-minute candle just closes so bullish that I'm together with this daily and 90 that it's just, yeah. It might not look good with this 5 minutes, but this can easily get inverse maybe. Yeah, I think it follows my system. I think this is a good trade, whether it's a loss or a win. I'm bullish on the higher time frame. We have a daily here. We have a 90 here, minute 1% swing point below the true opens. I'm just trying this. The draw already got taken out here at the open, so that's the only thing that's bothering me. But I think we can easily continue up from here if I follow my strategy. Look at this 50-minute candle close. And we have even a gap here, a volume gap on the 50-minute. We're just in the range bound market, so definitely not the best high probability. We're still inside this range. But yeah, we can still trade, right? Nice first displacement. I really want to see this 5 minute here getting inversed, which is about to happen on yes. We still have 3 minutes though, 4 minutes until this 5 minute candle closes, but it's a strong start. And then maybe we can let runners run towards this nice, close, clean, high time frame draw. You have the essential on TradingView. I'm not sure. I have like the middle plan, which enables me to have 3 charts on one window, which is what I need. Just gotta let the market do its thing. Whatever happens, I think that's a good trade. Yeah. Same thing. It's not A plus. I would say this is like B or something, because we don't have a clean. I mean, we have clean liquidity, but it would have been better if we don't take out the draw here on the open yet. But that is what it is. We are just ranging daily bearish, daily bullish. I think this is a reasonable trade. Yeah. Just hopefully this next 5-minute candle inverses this 5-minute gap. And then I'm more confident that we can continue higher. So would have been better if I wait for this 5-minute candle to inverse this 5-minute gap, then I can enter. But here I just think it was a really clean turtle soup. I think you guys agree. It's not a really strong close below here that's triggering very, very bearish price action. But yeah, that's just what I'm thinking. It's all very subjective. $50-minute candle looks even more bullish than this 5-minute. Just gotta wait, win or loss. Yeah, bio. I think last year's price action was way better than this year, for sure. This was 10 a.m. news. Five-minute precision swing point. Don't really like this, but nothing to worry about yet, maybe. $50-minute candle is such a good time frame. Is such a good bias time frame. And we're just ranging, right? It's not really a clean bias. We literally opened around here. We're still here. We're still here. So definitely not a high probability day. Hopefully we can get some expansion. ES is trying to inverse this gap. It opened. Maybe this is a manipulation on the 5-minute candle. Let's see if we can push up from here. It's always when I'm in a trade that suddenly 50 more people join. They gotta be like signal bots. Please don't copy my trades. I'm just sharing my journey. If you get any value from it. But copying trades, I've been there, I've done that. Don't do it, please. Use maybe information from me to your own bias or form your strategy. But I would say if you have a strategy, don't watch me. This is the biggest thing I learned. Like, whenever you have a strategy, just stop watching others. As comfortable as it may be, like, it's really nice to pull up a stream of someone that's doing the same thing as you, but it will not help you. If you really know how the markets move and you have a good system, then you just need to focus on your own thing, man. Yeah, Tim, I know for sure you're copying me on this long. ES is stronger here. You taking it on practice or this is just eval, man? Not funded, but it's so stupid, but I just don't give any F about an eval. It's an eval. It's like literally it's demo money. So it's so stupid, but yeah, you gotta prove yourself to get funded. So the thing is, now we have this daily bearish, and now because ES is close towards this high, we can potentially create a micro. Let me see. So you see, I already said when we were here, this draw on ES, it looks really nice. So I hope we can take it out now. Watch out if we form any daily, micro bearish, but I don't think we do. Like, of course, your first evaluation was feeling so crazy. I remember it was like 2 years ago and I was at some shit prop firm. It was so bad. I was paying like $500 for a 100K account and now you can get that for like 200 or 300. But I felt like, oh, this is crazy and I'm gonna full port this and then I'm a profitable professional trader. But then you just keep blowing accounts. You just go into this with such a bad mindset. It's so bad. We inverse this 5-minute gap now on NQ, which is nice. So now essentially then this 90-minute that I drew out right here is confirmed according to my system. We have this 5-minute inversion. And now watch out for the bearish cracks. Always monitor price. It's a nice displacement now. No, it's not Bright Fund. Bright Fund is not that bad. It was like, I'm not gonna bash them. They were good prop firm, but it was Hydra funding. It's a nice CEO, but the prices back then, and it was everywhere, I think it was just so high. Freaking $500 for a 3K drawdown. And then I went to Bright Funded. Then I did funding pips, I think. FTMO. Top step. Yeah, Brightfund is a good firm. I even did a podcast with them. I went to Amsterdam. It was I was so stressed. It was so funny. It was like my first ever podcast. Let me see. It was something like here.
Newer traders don't realize that you don't.
Brightfund. Podcast circa? Bro, they removed me. No. Set for life, but that's like the opposite. I have everything I need. I know. Look at this.
This is actually the real face of trading. trading. Everyone posts out, the flashy lifestyle and everything, but no one actually digs deeper to who they are as a person. And name me one good trader that hasn't gone through this.
Opposite in my opinion, because I have everything I need. I know my strategy works, but the hardest thing is actually doing it over and over again. If you're trading.
That's it, guys. The hardest thing, if you have your strategy, is doing it over and over again. Hardest thing, because strategy you can find it everywhere. It's so easy nowadays with the internet. There's always something for free. You don't have to pay. If you pay something, you will get there faster, but you can get there for free as well. That old guy is a psychology psychology coach. Really nice guy. I talked to him next to this. Wisdom is next. Man, that is my dream, to be on that podcast. And crazy enough, I think like last month, I think he followed me on Instagram, so maybe if everything goes good, we can do something. What is he called? You see here? That's him, right? Words of Wisdom. He followed me like last month. I was so hyped. Crazy. I don't think I'm ready for that yet, though. I want to be more confident, a better track record. I want to be in a day with TGR. Yeah, TGR is like the craziest personality in this whole industry. He's so smart, though. He does this for a reason. He's funny by himself, but he just exaggerates like on his boot camp and streams just because he knows it can make him more money. So now from here, just wait, man. I don't think this was a bad long. Hopefully Yes takes his draw out. Be right back. Do we have a micro, which is pushing us lower? No, right? I don't really like this. Hopefully this is a retracement. No! Let me pull these through opens a little bit more further. Yeah, I also watched TGR Bootcamp. It was so funny. Hopefully we inverse this 1 minute bearish gap. Can you please call the market makers and tell me them that I want the price go up? I don't want a clip for, man. It's so cringe. I don't use revolving true opens now. Oh, hell no. Man, these highs on ES, they just look so clean. Would be so stupid if we just go down from here. Ah, so slow, so slow. Just go to my stop loss RTP, but don't make this a fucking 3-hour stream. Excuse my language. We tapped this volume gap here, which I don't really like. I really want to see the low getting made here, otherwise it's not looking good. Bowie, you bought the additional package to have real-time data on CME and CBOT. If you trade with a prop firm that provides free level 2 data, then you don't have to do it. For me, it doesn't provide this on the prop firm I trade with, so I need to pay $6 a month for the CME and CBOT. Yeah, so depending on the prop firm, man. Price action looks so ass. Come on, man. Do something. Steep push down, steep push up. Sometimes also you need to just close a trade because it's not giving you a fast reaction and market is choppy. For now I'm still having it on, but if it just keeps chopping, I'm just closing the trade because I just wanted to see it go, man. This is annoying, low probability. I hope to form a low here and then now we continue up. But yeah, we're just chopping around. Why I can't find your PSP indicator? It's not public yet, sorry. Maybe next week. Nice goal. Good shit. So here my trading system says I step away when emotions run too high. It's alright. Market conditions are poor. For now, it's still respecting discount. I like this more now. We're just teasing with my entry. Guys, I'm just gonna trim my stop to this low here. I don't want to see it go lower, otherwise we're just chopping around and maybe we can re-enter later then, but I'm not gonna risk it. I just want to see it go, man. This is so boring. Whew. Hopefully this is the low. If not, get stopped out with a small loss and then we can maybe re-enter if we actually get some better structure. But now hopefully this can push us up. Come on. ES needs to be stronger here. 1 hour candle opening in 3 minutes that can give us some volatility inside that 1045 macro now. Yeah, if we go towards this low, we're most likely going to take this out. So I'm just going to put my stop to break even here. I just wanted to go, man, on this 1 hour candle. Otherwise, it's just no trade for me today. This looks ready to go higher. Stop is at break even. And if we get wicked out, but then we get another crack, then maybe we can re-enter. I'm saying we, but I'm the only one taking the trade. Don't copy trade. Don't worry, we all with you. Low hanging fruit definitely here. If we take it out on ES, then might take some profits as well, but I want to see this on NQ also get taken out. ES just looks cleaner on the draw on liquidity. Together with YM, my god, this looks good on YM. I hope we just skyrocket here. We do have a potential micro bearish though, so watch out. Hopefully we take this out on ES and YM. I think so. I don't think we need to worry. This looks good to go higher. 1 hour PSP. I don't see anything. The only thing is we now open this new 1 hour candle so we can easily get a manipulation down. Before then the last 30 minutes expand up, or we can do the other way around. I hope the other way around, that we now just continue pushing up. That would be nice. Let's see for some SMT fills. We actually have one, I think. We tap this gap on ES, we don't tap this gap on NQ. Minute 1 SMT fill. In trading, you don't need to love money. Money needs to love you. Did you just put your own quote there? That's a good one. We're so close towards this low-hanging fruit, man. I really hope we can hit my first TP here. Will be nice. Whenever I feel stressed, like this is a tip, just go on the 15-minute time frame. It moves so much cleaner. You just get some more rest, because if you go on the 1 minute, you constantly stress over like a small bearish candle. That's just me. What time it is? It's not right now. It's like 5 p.m. The day is almost over. I'm in Belgium, Europe. We formed a low on the 1 hour. That's nice. So we don't just open and go up. We already had some small retracement down. Hopefully we can just continue pushing up. That would be awesome. I'm not in the mood for any retracements now. I would be kind of mad if ES just builds up more engineered liquidity here, which it's about to do. But let's see. Look at this entry though. 1 minute SMT fill. That would have been great. I just couldn't log in to my trading platform. But SMT fill works so great. You guys see, I just draw out this 1 minute SMT fill here. NQ failed to tap this gap, and ES did, and bam, we just go up. This can be a re-entry, right? But I'm already in a trade, so I mean, this is crazy. You can't tell me that these concepts, they don't work. They don't work if you pattern trade them. They work if you, like me, you build context with everything. You draw the true opens, you have your high time frame bias, you make sure you have a rule when the SMT is confirmed, you only trade at the market open. All these things, right? They help. And then it's just showing up every single day. I will come in Belgium in September. Nice. I don't really like my country though. I want to move out. Everyone is so like small-minded here, whereas in other countries it's just better, a better vibe. I don't like I don't like my country, to be honest. The only good thing that we have here in Belgium is good hospitality, like how do you call it? When you're sick, you can get very good treatment here. One of the best in the world. But then the other thing is we have the highest taxes ever. Like crazy. If you're just someone, I mean like me here in Belgium that's trying to build their agency, build an income through the internet, it's pretty hard if you don't already make really good money, because you get a lot of like taxes, and I don't even know where I pay the taxes to. Like, I don't know where this money is going through, because I mean the roads are still shit. The only thing that's good, like I said, is the man. How do you call this? I'm so dumb. Hospital. I'm so dumb. What the hell? Yeah, and the food is good here as well. I like Spain food more though. I'm not really a fan of Asian food. But yeah. If you ever came across French fries, those are not French fries. Trust me, these are Belgian fries. Everyone who's from America who's eating French fries, please just acknowledge that this is from Belgium. We made this. Yeah, healthcare, exactly. Yeah, maybe tax 40% in Slovenia. Man, here it's even like 55% taxed. And the only way you can get through this is like with some loopholes. You need to get like the best like finance advisor, and then you can get some discounts. He knows some things that you can benefit from. But for me, like, I don't really have a lot of money to pay like a great guy that can fix all my administrative tasks and stuff. Yeah, and the school, that's one thing I forgot to mention. The school is also really good here. Together with the healthcare, a lot of international students come to here, Belgium. Erasmus is very popular. Romania, 10% taxes, but what else in Romania? Is it a nice country? I know Andrew Tate got pressed there, so I don't know. He's from Romania, right? Yeah, it's a lot of taxes in it now. Yeah. Let's see if you can get the final push up now. Nice girls. I'm there, bro. I'm kidding. Get rich first, then start worrying about taxes. Exactly, man. When you get some money, then you can spend some on some really good guys that can help you lower the taxes. Gonna set an alert here when ES takes out the high, so I know this. Do you plan to leave your country someday? Yeah, for sure. I want to move out to more southern countries. It's just crazy. If you earn a lot of money, then there's so much that you need to give to the government. It will just be such a pain in the ass that there's no other reason to move out. And the crazy thing is, like, I've read some article about why Belgium taxes and just other countries in Europe are so high. And it's because of the World War II and World War One, because we needed to pay for extra military troops and whatever. And from there, we just never lowered it again. So we just inside of this bullshit without lowering it. It's crazy, but everyone just acknowledges it. Like, I don't get it. Every single day I'm like, oh, why do I pay the taxes? I hate taxes. Probably it's not a good thing to say on stream. But I'm paying my taxes, don't worry, I'm paying it. These are evals, man. I'm copy trading 2 evals now. I was funded almost with them, but then blew it. Now I'm building it up again. Trying to build good habits, live streaming, so I'm better. Dubai, yeah, it might be a good option, but nowadays they're implementing a lot of rules. Some hidden things that, because a lot of people, they go to Dubai, now they wanna like keep it a little bit harder, I think. So I don't know, man. Need to think about it. But Dubai is really expensive though. I don't have the money for that yet. Nothing on the bearish side, so I'm trusting that we're gonna take out these highs on at least ES and or NQ or YM, and then we have a potential 90 bearish, but I don't think that will do much. Still, the biggest confirmed cracks and context is bullish. Yeah. Beautiful 10 a.m. reversal here. It's just so slow. Slow. And we're just kind of in this range still, right? We don't even break through this range until we breach this or this. Which prop firms would you recommend for a beginner prop trader? Top Step. If you're in Forex, Bright Funded. For me now, actually no, this firm I'm trading with, this is exactly what you need as a beginner. Because here, as you can see, you can literally tag your trades, write your journaling, and do everything from here. So definitely go with the futures desk. You can basically like make your own challenge. So if I go on new plan, then I can decide my max loss limit. I can decide which platform, the minimum trading days, the how many contracts, and then I buy it. Make sure you apply code Bowie for 40% off. And then, yeah, I mean, this is amazing. I'm sticking with this firm because I can literally journal on this. I don't need my Notion. I don't need TradeZella. It's basically your journal and your prop firm in one. And they also remove a lot of like bullshit, because on every prop firm you will buy an account size. But an account size is so stupid. It's not an account size. You don't trade with 100k capital if you pass a 100k account. You trade with 5k drawdown. That's the money that you actually can lose, right? So this just removes this. The monthly fee is like $20 to reset because they want you to take your time, which is also good. You don't pay the full price anymore. So together with all of this, like I made a video on this like a couple of months ago. It's just amazing. One of the best prop firms. I've talked with the founder. Very nice guys. So definitely go with the futures desk if you're trading futures. What on earth is this chart? NQ looks a lot better. So this daily bearish now I can remove it because this daily opposes it with this 90-minute. Maybe hidden micro bullish. Yeah. You don't worry about your family and friends when you leave? Well, first off, I will go with friends for sure. I'm not gonna go alone. I've been talking with some friends to move out somewhere. But family, yeah, for sure. They can visit me. I can, like, when you really make it, you just buy something for them there. I'm not gonna leave my family for sure. But I'm 21. I need my own space. If you go to the description, Hinka, you'll see all my links. You'll see the futures desk on the bottom. And that's the prop firm. $15-minute precision swing point. Five-minute SMT fill. I want to see a displacement though on the 5-minute to confirm this, or just a reaction. I think about leaving to Puerto Rico. Yeah, that's where TGR lives, right? And also like, not Logan Paul, but his brother. A lot of influencers live there. Man, this song is fire. Un bisou sous le ciel de Paris. What a banger. Oof, this session is taking too long. Either just take me out at break even or hit my take profit, man. Anyways, I think it was a good read today, right? I called this whenever I saw this displacement, minute 1% swing point, 90. You guys saw me, right? I was hopping on my trading platforms. I want to take this long, and you see, I already got a really nice displacement. So then it's when I'm putting my normal risk on, and it's just because I know this is a good setup. This is a good long from here. And normally the good setups, when you know it's a good setup, you really don't care about losing. It's only you overtrade when you know it's not a good trade. Like you place a bad trade and then you get stopped out, then you're overtrading. But if you place a good trade, you get stopped out, you're just done. Because you can deal with it more because it follows your system. So here, potential 5-minute SMT fill. No, I don't trade gold. Hey, Doreska. ES looks so bad on the 15-minute. Holy shit. I have not heard the Trade X Mastery prop firm now. What a chop. I hope that we hold this fair value gap, otherwise it's gonna stop me out. We literally opened right here. We're still here. And there's nothing on the highs, right? Nah. So stupid thing is, we can easily do something like this and just chop further. But I'm not waiting for that. I really want to see it continuing from here. Like the ideal stop should be here at this low of my setup of the smart money reversal. But I mean, we already made this move. I turned my stop to break even because if it's gonna do this, then it's gonna be another 2 hours, right? So I prefer just putting my stop to break even then. And if I get stopped out, it's not a loss. And maybe I can re-enter after we form some cracks here. But now hopefully it's looking like we respect this 5-minute gap. Oh, there is a micro bullish. I think, yep. Or not, I'm not sure actually. It's always so fake. Just gonna leave it off. Oh, with YM, yeah. And I got copyrighted once again. I'm not earning anything from YouTube, by the way. Everything gets copyrighted. It's crazy. But otherwise the stream is so boring without any music or something. Or brother, I don't get the question. You know, maybe we're just in Wordline live. Is that a question? I don't know, bro. I'm just focusing on my own stuff. Maybe type his name into YouTube. Discord, check him out. I'm not his assistant. Okay, so looks like this micro is trying to hold. Really nice. Now, finally, hopefully, a push towards this low-hanging fruit. ES looks so bad though, and Q looks way better. What the hell? Or we're just gonna continue building up liquidity here. That's also a possibility. Oh, where does he live? I think also Puerto Rico, no? I mean, he's from America. He's from, I don't know. I'm really not sure. But he was thinking to move to New York or something. Look at the chart on ES. Check this out. Holy guacamole. What the hell? NQ definitely looks a lot better. Uh, if we don't get anything in the next few 10 minutes, 15 minutes, then I'm gonna close the trade. It's taking too long. Hopefully we can get like a push. We're almost entering PM, it's crazy. Let's see what we do here. What is this? What the hell? There is no way. This is so random. This is so random. Where does this come from? Do we have news? Did we take out the draw on NQ? Not on ES? Really weird. This was not needed, but looks like we wanna still maybe go higher, hopefully. Really random manipulation. I want to see this getting inversed. Inverse this, please. If opportunity arises, are you going to take a trade live? This is a trade, right? What do you mean? It's coming close to my break even. Hopefully we can hold this range here. No problem, man. No problem. Still holding this micro. Want to see this getting inversed. Today is a choppy day, but choppy days doesn't mean that you can't trade. It just takes so long to go to your draw, and you can have like unexpected retracements which can stop you out. But as long as you have your stop at the right place, which essentially should be here in my opinion, but that's way too far, so I'm just trimming it to here. And if I get stopped at break even, that's so be it. So on good days, we just do this, right? We don't have all this bullshit. We just have this and then maybe some small retracement, so like this, and then now we go. But now we're just chopping. Just take some time. But it's not that bad market structure compared to ES. ES looks terrible. NQ is just making some clean higher highs. What indicators am I using? Precision candles, sequential SM, no, just the quarters, and then the opening prices. And I'll announce how you can download them for free like next week, but I'm just testing them out still. But for now they work. They seem to be working. Here, this minute 1 precision swing point, you see it got marked out by this indicator as well. Bro, PM is starting. This is crazy. Can we just go to the draw? I mean, I feel so stupid to close a trade here. It just looks so good to take out the high, so I'm gonna wait a bit. Uh, Okay, so I really want to do this. We really want to do this. I only open trade in New York session. I don't trade London. We have news, right? Maybe that's why we can engineer some more liquidity. The news is... Oh no, we don't have news. PM, nope. Maybe form a 90-minute. Oh no, it's not possible. A micro here, bullish. Precision indicator name is not public yet. It's gonna be my longest stream ever. 3 hours already. What the hell? I'm just staring at candles for 3 hours. That's crazy. I have no life. You could just put stop loss at break even. Yeah, that's what I'm doing, man. I might just end the stream here. I'll probably get stopped out at break even here. Either way, not a losing day. That's good. Bias was good. It's just the time that it's gonna take until we hit these highs. It can be even in like 2 hours. So I'm glad that I catch this this long, but yeah. No money, maybe. That's not a problem as long as we build conviction. Let's see if we have any SMT here. Oh, we do actually. That's what I want to see. Now we have another micro here. Delete this one. Yeah, I don't think this will hold. If you don't get any displacement. Oh, what a boring day. Literally, we opened here, we're still here. We're still here. Should I have taken profits here? I don't know. Nah, I should take profit at low-hanging fruit, so I don't think that's my bet. It's just the market that wants to move slow today, and that's it. Still YM didn't take out the lows. Come on. But yeah, I should not expect anything. It's like PM. We're literally in PM session right now. That's crazy. It's 6 PM for me. This is so pain. So close. Look at this. Now she's gonna stop me out here. That's stupid. There's no reason we want to be doing this. It's just... no micro anymore. Yeah, this can just continue to drop and then maybe form the cracks lower. Guys, this is literally where we opened. We're still here. Just ranging. Alright.
Order filled.
Alright, I made $6 today. Let's fucking go. Painful. But it is what it is. The bias was kind of right though. Expected longs from here. Yeah, now we can easily just do something here and then form a cracks and continue higher. Or, I mean, it's PM. Your session should be done anyway. So whatever we do, it's just a low probability day in my opinion today. So I'm not saying this because I had a break-even trade. I'm just saying because you can see it yourself, right? It's like take out the highs, take out the lows, ranging. So yeah. Let me see what we potentially can do. Oh, ES really is just going crazy lower. NQ is looking like it's a little bit stronger. So it's potentially creating another daily bullish. But anyways, whatever happens, I'm not focused anymore. I'm too long into this, so I'll see you guys tomorrow. Make sure to journal. I need to journal this day. I think I followed my rules pretty much good, so good day in terms of habits. It's just unfortunate that we don't have any profits, but see you guys next time and have a beautiful rest of your day. Bye bye.